Fuchsias are colourful summer flowering shrubs that are extremely popular, especially for containers, pots and hanging baskets. So it's highly likely that at some point you'll want to try to propagate some. Fortunately, fuchsias are easy to propagate, as you will see. Cuttings are best taken from early summer until about 6 weeks before the first frosts if you live in a temperate region. They can be propagated year-round in subtropical areas. I will be taking cuttings from Fuchsia triphylla, but the method is the same for all fuchsia varieties. We need to look for firm, healthy growths for good cuttings. Cuttings from the base of the plant are ideal. Growths without flowers are best, but growths with flowers are still okay. With our stem selected, we can cut a length of approximately 10 to 12 centimeters, which is 4 to 5 inches. Remove with sharp cutters or a knife. And I'm taking a second similar sized cutting from the other side of the plant. Now it's time to trim up our two cuttings. We start by pulling off the lower set of leaves. This point where the leaves join the stem is called a node. We cut the stem just below the node. This is where the roots will form. I want to leave 6 leaves on each cutting. So I'll remove one leaf entirely, and I will trim the 2 lower leaves so they are half-sized. This helps to stop the cutting drying out too much before it roots, but this is only needed on large-leaved fuchsia varieties. Most fuchsia varieties have smaller leaves, and so cutting the leaves in half will not be necessary. I will root the cuttings in compost. They can be rooted in water, but I find compost to be more reliable. I have made a cutting compost from 2 parts multi-purpose compost mixed with 1 part sand. You can use perlite, horticultural grit, or even aquarium gravel instead of sand. I am now using a wooden stick to make holes in the compost at the edge of the pot. Push the cutting to the bottom of the hole and then firm well with your fingertips. Then rotate the pot and repeat the process for all remaining cuttings. And our cuttings are now ready to be watered. Give plenty of water to completely moisten the compost. With the cuttings well watered, place them in a cool and shady spot. Keep them watered regularly to keep them moist. Don't worry if they are floppy for a few days, they will recover. Rooting will take about 4 to 6 weeks. And 6 weeks later, we can see that some new leaf growth has started and that the cuttings are firm. There is a root peeping out of the bottom of the pot. This is always a good sign. I'll now squeeze the pot to loosen the compost and gently pull the cutting out. Not easy with only one hand. My other hand is holding the camera. And as you can see, we have a very well rooted cutting. And the second cutting also looking good. These can now be potted into fresh compost for growing on or planting out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like. I really appreciate your support. And please subscribe if you'd like to see more of my plant videos. Thanks again, and I look forward to bringing you the next video soon.